what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this episode here is going to be another LED company that has reached out to me. So I just want to say thank you to AUXITO. AUXITO is a LED company established in 2016. So they specialize in cars, SUVs, trucks, and motorcycles. So not only that they do LEDs for the exterior, they also do for interior as well, and much more. And so if you want to know more about AUXITO, check it out, the link here, and surf around, and you never know, you might buy something. And don't forget, if you do like something and you do plan to purchase something, here's my discount code and you get 15% off. So let's go ahead and unbox this AUXITO. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox. And this is a H1 and at 65,000. Okay. All right, so what we have here is the manual. You guys can check out AUXITO through all these social media platforms. All right, here are the H1, and let's check it out. Okay, so here's the plug. Okay, so this one has about 8 LEDs on both sides. The housing, it looks very durable. It's looks like it's aluminum. And also it has a built-in fan, which is cool. Yeah, there's not much to it. These H1 has polarities, so as you can see, it has a little slanted line right here. All right, so it's gonna go one way. Okay, not much to it, and let's jump into get this thing installed. So I'm going to install the AUXITO H1 bulb for my 1991 R32 Skyline, and the reason why is because R32 Skyline owner, we all know that the lighting is not the greatest, and so it's pretty a struggle for me to drive to work early in the morning when it's still dark, and driving at night, especially you want to go cruise. And so, you know, the OEM lights are just not the greatest. So thanks to AUXITO for the LEDs, and I'm sure that it will be a huge upgrade. So and also with these AUXITO LEDs, it will save you a lot of money, because we all know, especially for the R32 owners, the retrofit headlight, it can be very expensive. So with this, it's affordable, and also it can save you from your girlfriend or your wife from nagging you spending too much money on your 1990 shit box. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna do a before and after video so you guys will see the difference between an OEM lights versus AUXITO LEDs. Okay, so the H1 is the low beam and is located in the back. It's the easy access. Here's the little plug right here. So every car is different, all right? So you guys just have to figure it out, okay? So for the R32 Skyline, here's the plug right here. Just pull it out. It should be a three-prong plug. All right. I don't know if you guys can see this. And it has a little twisting, locking cap. Just twist it out. It has also a rubber dust protection. All right. Okay. And also there are some retainer clips right here. You're gonna have to get it loose so it will just pop out. All right, and there you go. Here's the H1 bulb. This is the factory one. Remember I said about the polarity? That's pretty much it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get installed. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull out. Just like that. Okay, so let's get the AUXITO. It should be a very straightforward. Just plug it in. Okay. All right, just like that. Okay, so this is a FYI. When you install the bulb, make sure you don't install all the way in, or else the bulb, it might fall into the projector, and you don't want that. There is a little groove inside the housing, and that's where I placed the bulb, and I think that might be a good spot for it. There's still a little play on it, but I think once you have everything hooked up together, everything is all tightened, the bulb's not going to go anywhere. So I'm gonna install one side, and we can check it out between the LEDs and the factory. It probably won't make a big difference because it's still daylight. So again, I'm gonna show a before and after once it gets dark. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything together. Put the rubber grommet, whatever you call it. it protect from okay. Alright, I think that's the best it can get. Plug everything back. And it should look something like this, but I'll tuck everything, make sure that, you know, no other contact. All right, let's check. Yeah, that is bright, yo. Comparison to the factory one, very yellowish. Wow, that is a huge difference. So I'm gonna do it to the other side, and let's get this thing done before it gets dark, and let's do a light test. I noticed on the driver's side, the bulb, it sits a little bit better than the passenger side. And yeah, I am just about done here, and just wait until it gets a little bit darker and we go for a test drive. Okay, so this is the OEM bulb. I'm not too sure how the AUXITO bulb, but I'm gonna swap these out and put the LEDs in, and it is super bright. I'm loving it. All right. Now I can enjoy cruising at night. So I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you guys do, help me out by liking this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, help me out too.